Luke, Hugo. Ow! Ow! You just beat off a piece of beard of mine. Stop it, Gus. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my laboratory, where safety is #1 priority. And I'm right here with Gus, aka Pashtet, Hugo, and Luke over there. Luke, come over here. Come on, boy. So why I'm over here with the dogs? Because we're gonna be unboxing survival kit for the pets. Why you like get all over me? Stop it. Here's Luke. He gonna be in the video as well. Stop it. Stop biting. So let's open it up and see what inside. Boom. There's a description. Right here is pet first aid kit. Boom. Wow, this is cool packaged. Gus over here excited. They are smelling all over. What's going on? Okay. We got here scissors, band-aid, bunch of sticks. Gus is already biting this thing and trying to carry it away. Wow. More band-aids. A lot more band-aids. So this is awesome. In case they hurt their foot, cut themselves. There's a stretchy band-aid, so you can wrap it up. This is cool. So in case they cut their foot, you can actually give them first aid and fix it all up before it's going to get infected. Very nice. Towelette, sanitizing stuff. So this is very cool. I like it. I like how easy it is to open it and close it. Okay, let's see what else we got. Blood stop, multi-purpose trauma dressing. Check this out. Again, there's a couple more bandages inside there. What is this right here? Oh, nice. There's a little dog bowl, water bowl. Gus, look, you got. Let's see if Gus like it. Here, there's a little dog bowl. So I would put water for you and you can eat off of it. Not eat it, you can eat off of it, not eat it. But yeah, here is a toy. You can have a bowl for survival situation, just in case. And there's a bunch of... He looked like the bowl a lot. He went over there gonna chew on it. Okay, looks like Gus is busy, but we got here a whole bunch of plastic bags to clean up the poop, I guess. I don't know if you need it if there is a survival situation, but that's cool. Why not? Keep stuff clean. He definitely loves the bowl. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Emergency survival blanket. This is the funny stuff. I don't think I would give it to the dogs. Look at his coat. He does not need a blanket. He's Alaskan Malamute. He can survive in a very cold weather. So is huskies. Look, Hugo, come on. They have double coat. I would not use this for my pets because they already got this big husky coat. They don't need any survival blankets. But anyways, let's test it out anyways. We're gonna take one out and put it on Luke or Hugo. There you go. Let's model. This is nice. Definitely can survive now. Stay warm. I think you'll get too hot even in the winter time. Guys just wanna chew everything up. But let's see what else we got. Hey guys, look at that. There's a dog collar. This dog collar is a little too tiny, but still really cool. Okay guys, what do you wanna unbox next? Cool, there's a little rope. Nylon rope. I guess you can tie up your puppy, your dog, just in case if you hiking, traveling, so that way they don't run away. I do like that. What, you like to test out some else? Dog metal leash right here. That's cool. Again, looks like it's for the tiny dog. It's only gonna fit his nose. There's no way. But really cool. Guys just like to bite on everything, chew on everything. Look at Hugo. He's about to unbox everything himself. Right here there's a glow sticks. That's really cool, but don't have a puppy or anything. They're gonna chew it up and get poisoned. So, but that's really cool. Okay, and there's another thing. There's a couple can openers, so I guess that way you can open up those cans with food for the dogs. Oh yeah, and the most important right here, emergency drinking water, 5-year shelf life. Honestly, I think it can stay a lot longer than 5 years. Usually emergency drinking water is indefinite, as long as you store it properly. So I don't know why they put 5-year shelf life. I guess it just sounds cool. You know what? We're going to open it. Oh wow, check this out. This bag can be actually a refillable bag. Let me open this right here. Oh man. And get a little bit of water and give it to Luke or Hugo in this little pouch. Let's see if they're going to like the water. So I'm gonna put the water in the pouch. Let's see if you like it. Oh, looks like it works. Check this out. I can feed them water, no problem. Oh, good boy. Good boy. How's the water? Tastes delicious? You're so cute. Gus, where are you going? What are you chewing on? Somehow, oh my gosh. Somehow, check out what the Gus pulled out. He got a toy. I mean, the Chewy right here. Somehow he got it out of the box and I did not even see him doing it. Well, there you go. Luke, you can have it. Actually, let's see what else we got. There is another bag of 5-year shelf life emergency drinking water. So how many pieces are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so 12 total. Hey guys, get out of there. This is my turn. And right here, this is funny. Emergency dog food. Boom. Check this out. I actually haven't fed the dogs. I'm gonna feed one of these to them. See what they like. Looks like Gus got the toy. Okay, let's open this up, see if they're going to eat it or not. Look what you find in there. Guys, you don't have enough? Oh wow, check this out. I love the packaging. Luke is definitely interested. Let's pull it out. Looks like it's vacuum sealed. Nice. And you got here the food. It doesn't smell like anything. They can definitely tell it's food. Let's see what kind of food that is. Special vacuum seal package, 5-year shelf life. Name brand formula. They say name brand, but they do not say what kind. Complete balanced nutrient for your dog. So this is not a puppy food, this is adult food. So I haven't fed the dogs yet, so I might give a little bit of that to them, see if they like it. And again, I'm gonna be using one of these bowls. They're definitely interested about that. Yeah, look at them. They're trying to, oh, okay, that's why. It's actually not really sealed as much. Stop it. Let me pour some for you. Stop it. That's enough. So again, I will get one of these bowls. They're gonna make me spill everything. Stop it. Alright, there you go. There's some food. Eat it. They're usually pretty defensive, so no, it's not puppy food. Stop it. Gus is all excited. So let's see if they like it. They definitely like it, but Gus really wants some, but he cannot have that food because he's too small for the adult food. He is not supposed to eat it. I actually separated them because they are so mean, stealing all the food. I want to see if Luke is going to eat any of that food. Luke, here. Do you want to try some? He's so picky about his food. Luke, here. Try some food. Luke. He just cares about those dogs instead. He's so cool. He would rather let them eat first. And make sure they are full first, and then he will eat. He is such a boss. Look here, try some food. Don't you want some? Let's see if he eats any. Wow, he is not interested at all with this food. So not all the dogs will eat it. But again, he is so smart. He will only eat when he is cool and only when he is hungry. That's why he is so skinny. Huskies are usually really good about their diet. When he doesn't feel like eating it, he's just gonna skip couple meals. But this one somehow always will eat. But again, he's 10 pounds heavier than Luke. Lucas just doesn't eat as much food as Hugo or Gus. Gus will be like 100 pounds. He'll eat way more than Luke or Hugo. Looks like there is only enough for one day of food for the breakfast and dinner. That's it. Well guys, there you go. There is a couple dog MREs inside there. Survival kit, first aid kit, glow sticks. They definitely made a big mess over here. But yeah, well, let me know in comments below what do you think about this. I'm definitely gonna give this a thumbs up because it was a lot of fun. And I probably would build my own dog MRE if anything. And I would buy everything I feed my dogs, all the bowls, and build like 5-gallon bucket. That's probably would be way better, but I still liked it. It was a lot of fun. Anyways guys, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to thumbs up this video, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. I really do like that they have one little bowl over there for him he can chew on. They definitely enjoy all the food and treats inside that MRE. So if my dog's happy, I'm happy about that MRE and survival kit.